In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file in a channel in Microsoft Teams Essentials. If you're looking to streamline collaboration and ensure all team members have access to important documents, sharing files in Teams channels is a vital skill. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams app. If you're working from your desktop, click on the Teams icon to launch the app. Once it's up and running, draw your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see a menu with various options. What you want to do is select the option labeled Teams. Clicking on this will open up a list of all the channels that are available to you. Now scroll through the list of channels until you find the specific channel where you want to share the file. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct channel, as this will define who has access to the file you're about to upload. Once you've located the desired channel, go ahead and click on it to enter. With the channel open, navigate to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Files. Clicking this tab will direct you to the area where all shared files for the channel are stored. This is an essential step, as only in this section can you begin the upload process. Within the Files tab, scan for an icon representing upload. This could be symbolized by an upward pointing arrow or a simple upload button depending on your version of Teams. Click on this icon to initiate the upload process. At this point, you'll be presented with two options. You can either attach files that are stored in the cloud, such as those in OneDrive or SharePoint, or you can opt to upload files directly from your device. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If your file is on your laptop or desktop, selecting Upload from this device will be the way to go. After making your selection, a dialog box will appear allowing you to browse through your device's folders. Carefully navigate to the location of the file you wish to share. Once you've found the file, click on it to highlight it. You'll then see an option to open or select the file depending on your system. And that's it. By clicking open, your file will start uploading to the channel. Once the upload is complete, your file will be visible to all members of that channel, making it easy for them to access and collaborate on it. Remember, sharing files through Teams channels supports team productivity and ensures everyone has the resources they need to contribute effectively. As a tip, regularly check your files and organize them into folders for easier access and management. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.